This is an Excel tutorial that accompanies a Cengage book, and it's called Excel Tutorial for Windows. This is an Excel file with many tabs or worksheets that essentially guide you through various features of Excel. The Introduction tab tells you a little bit about what the purpose of this file is, and then the list of the topics are on the second worksheet down here. If you click on this number 1, you are in the collapsed mode of all the topics, and you click on this number 2, then it expands it, and there is a comment box that tells you a little bit about this. So these are all the little topics. It's not exhaustive, but it's a really good way to brush upon some of the Excel features that you may have forgotten or that you may not know. At any given point in time, let's say you are down here on count ifs and all that, and you want to go back to the list of the topics, all that you must do is just click on Control key and click on this left arrow, and it'll take you back to the list of the beginning, and so you can go back to the list of the topics. I will add this as one of the files to the course, so you can download it and keep it in your computer for future use. Thank you.